Hey guys, today I'm just going to go through some basic information regarding SolidWorks as a 3D or 2D tool and how it can be used basically. So SD or SolidWorks is basically a 2D, a 2D, so a two dimension or a three dimension tool. It's basically a two dimension or three dimension tool, drawing tool basically. It helps you in creating designs of products, products like like 3D or like 2D dimensions. Let's take a square, a hollow tube, uh, an assembly drawing, sheet metal, and other plastic parts can be used for designing so that you can know how to manufacture it, basically, right? They can be like your microchips in your computer, right? Leaf springs or chassis of a car and other parts. So that's what I'm trying to say here. It is basically, and it is basically one of the 3D platforms, 3D platforms for drawings and layouts that you can use to draw that are very helpful for you for architecture drawings and blueprints. It has many features like SolidWorks assembly, SolidWorks sheet metal, SolidWorks wrapping, SolidWorks 2D, and also 3D. It is efficiently used for various purposes in mechanical, automobile, industrial purposes. So this is basically an overview I'm giving, but in the coming future lessons, I will just try to give you like a example of how they can design products, how you can design 2D and then extrude it or revolve it or rotate it, and how to create 3D models of 2D sketches. All these we can come to know in the future lessons. It's a plethora of tools and features that are available in SolidWorks. It is more efficiently used as a 3D tool rather than a 2D tool, because it has assembly, drafting, and blueprints available. So these are basically an outlines, and I will just give you brief drawings in the future lessons. So thank you. We'll continue in the future classes.